What's up peeps, it's your boy Gil Project here, back once again live and direct for an updated toolbox tour. It's going to be a kind of a quick one. I've done one already, so you can just see there I've got 3/8 sockets, deep ones, some little finger ratchets, some impact wobblies there, 3/8 breaker bar, a fucked 8mm snap-on socket, rusty to hell, 1/4 inch deeps, 3/8 shallows, 1/4 inch shallow impacts, extensions, wobbly, miscellaneous sockets, female Torx is 3/8 extensions, a torch, some more miscellaneous sockets and adapters there, bits and pieces, glasses, magnets, mirrors, bits, precision screwdrivers, knife, and some little picks here I use to adjust washer jets, mini files, head torch, keys, just a load of crap, a few scrapers in there, my ratchets, some more extensions, pliers, I'm just going to stop talking and just sort of open the drawers up because I'm sure you know what they are, all these things. These are 3/8 impacts, deep and shallow, multimeter. I'm still talking, aren't I? Picks. Oh, sorry, just so you can't really see, that's the power probe and there's some drill bits. And then underneath that is a rethreading set and then punches and chisels under that one. 3/8 torque wrench, 1/2 inch deep impacts. Over to the roll cart, packet of crisps, they're not included in the toolbox, nor are the Oreos. What's up?
I told him when he told me he was I said, no, seriously, that's what he's been talking about all morning. And he fucking beat me. He's like, oh, I'll swing back around later then. I feel bad because his boss is there, but his boss is like, fucking chill out. But,